Okay. Sorry about that. Now, that's what happened when I don't plan out these videos in advance. But anyway, without wasting your time, I I want to say to you is that I've been talking about a lot lately regarding the employment law, and that is because it is most thorny for business owners. If they don't do it correctly, sometimes they can be personally liable for back wages and overtime. And it is a very complicated area of law because it changes all the time as well. New statutes always being added to the labor code, especially in California. New cases will always come out uh, for the interpretation, different interpretation of the statute. However, we can learn how to handle the process with ease by just learning the general principle of the employment law and systematize the process of compliance with your attorneys. And the employment issues at workplace will always come up if you own a business. Okay, if you own a business, it's always going to come up. The question is how you're going to resolve that with ease, resolve the issue fairly, efficiently, and inexpensively. That's really the key. Okay, and as a business owner, we have the control of that process. Okay, the process of handling the claim inexpensively, efficiently, and fairly. Okay, so that's something that I encourage each one of the business owners to at least get familiar with the employment law. Okay, not like as attorney, but general concept. Okay, so next week, next Tuesday, November 6th, at 12 o'clock p.m., I'm going to teach how to classify independent contractor. Okay, so in the morning, you go out and vote. At 12 o'clock, come and join me. And there are two reasons why you need to know this. First, hiring an independent contractor can sometimes help us out as business owners to test the water out, see if this particular position is feasible for your company before you go out and hire and pay somebody put somebody on the payroll. Okay, we can use independent contractor to test it out, the new position you want to create without any long-term commitment. However, if you don't do it correctly, the consequences for that is you might open yourself with a possible claim for overtime or back wages. And whereas the insurance and taxes you thought that you don't have to pay, you ended up need to pay back, in addition to the interest and penalty. And with all the interest penalty, they'll add up, and eventually it will cost you a lot more. So that's two reasons why, and we're gonna go into how to classify in more detail next Tuesday. So next Tuesday in the morning, go out and vote. 12 o'clock, come and join me. And I'm gonna put a link how to register online, so you can we can have a discussion as to how to classify independent contractor correctly, so that your company can enjoy more and benefit more from it. Okay, so see you next Tuesday. Bye.